All right, today's the day. I'm finally getting back into my classroom. I'm super excited. Also a little nervous because I just don't know what to expect. I don't know what the state of my classroom is gonna look like. And we start pre-planning week tomorrow, or preschool week, whatever it's called here. So we'll see how much I can get done today. Bringing a few things, so I'm at least gonna bring those things into my classroom. Probably move some furniture around. I don't know, we'll see what we get into, and yeah, see you guys real soon. All right, quick status of the room. They moved this bookshelf over here, which is where it was originally when I moved in last year. Didn't like that, so I'm moving that back most likely. Looks like everything else is exactly where it should be. Let me turn on this fridge. There we go. I am, big news, I am team leader, so I have all the books in my room. I have all my desks. My books were left here. Looks like everything's here, so that's good. I did notice one thing. They took my gray table. You guys remember I put contact paper on that green table? They switched it out and I now have a light tan one, which is fine. It's fine. I'm just kind of sad because I did spend money on that gray contact paper. It's okay. It's okay. So I think I'm gonna just try to start by moving some stuff around. We'll see how it goes. So I kind of want to leave this as my reading corner. My one of my team members from last year across all has her teacher desk here. Like, do I like that? I think so. Let's put the books on it and see. All right, so we got mostly series books on the top, some more series books down here, because that's pretty much all I kept from my chapter books. We got some picture books on here, picture books that wouldn't fit in these bins, so I might get another bin to stick them on top. And then bookmarks in that one, which I want to get a different basket for that, but for now, that's what we're going to use. I would like to get like a lamp here, a basket, and maybe a display book. But I think that'll be cute with like this and then that library, and then I do have these things that I might put down there too. I think that'll be cute, right? I think that's cute, but we do have 2 desktops that are going to be staying eventually, and so I might move those 2 chairs to be the desktop chairs instead of being in the library, because honestly the kids aren't really going to use the library that much. But for now we'll leave it this way. I think cute little cozy reading area. All right, so little update. I set up 2 computers because they're only going to leave 2 in my room, so they're on the end. I put down the other 3 hoping she'll take those 3, and then I want to move a small group table over here, so we'll see how that goes. All right, we made a little progress. I think I got the room set up the way I want it. I just have to move a couple more things, so let me show you. All right, So, teacher desk. Then I put my turn-in bin here, a trash can here. I'm gonna put my objectives there. Don't know about whiteboard yet. I got 5 desks, groups of 5, small group table, and then I'll have room to put my stuff back there. I put my 2 computers just in case kids forget their laptops, they can go right there. And put headphones on, obviously. I put my 2 chairs there. This is a hot mess. Library, I'll do something with. I'll probably get like another little bookshelf to put there when I get more books. Lamp, whatever. Coming around. Don't know what I'm doing with smartboard yet. We'll find out. I probably want to move that over to my desk area. This I still need to situate. I might move that there. And then I put this table here for kids to work at. I don't know. So that's my thoughts so far. I need to obviously pull out the chairs and make sure all the kids can see from all the seats. And then it's not going to be too squished anywhere, because then I'll have to shift desks around. But so far, so good. All right, so I've moved all the desks around, put all the chairs out. I went and checked, and I think all the seats should be fine. I do have 1 extra chair right there that I'll probably bring over to my small group table, because I'll probably have more than 4 in a small group, I suspect. I'll probably have about 5. So I'll have them pull that over if I have a bigger group, and then just put it back in that area, I think. But yeah, and then I have this little like 3-person group area there, which is good. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with this smartboard. Part of me wants to just put it up front, but then I'm like, am I ever gonna use it? I don't know. So I think the next thing I'm gonna tackle is this bookshelf. I still have it covered, and then this thing, I'm gonna figure out what to do with that. And then I think I want to like wipe everything down because it's pretty dusty in here. Alright, so I've put math books on each of the desks and science books on each of the table groups to try to make sure I had enough. I don't know how many kids are in my classes yet. I'm pretty sure I'll find out tomorrow, hopefully. But I have 38 math textbooks for volume 1. And I think I have 48 for volume 2. So not really sure what happened there. And then I have a lot more science textbooks than I do math textbooks. So that's weird. But I know they spread them out, so I could probably go next door and ask if I need extras, but hopefully I won't need extras, honestly. I would like my classes to be small. We'll see. And then what else have I done? I went down to my car, got some stuff. It's blurry. There we go. I don't really know. It's like 12:45 now. I want to leave by 2 because I want to go home and eat something. Because I have my workout class today at 4:15. So I want to leave by 2. So I have about an hour and 15 minutes left. So I'll probably unpack the stuff I brought up and then maybe put my book bins inside those green cabinets if I have enough time, but I don't think I'll do too much more. I think tonight I need to definitely like make labels and stuff for things because I never made labels last year. I was too lazy. All right, let's get to it. All right, I'm gonna give you a little status of the room. So doors right there. I'm gonna have pencils, dull sharp like I did last year, turn in bins. It's gonna be all student supplies. So I already have crayons, glow sticks, whatever. This will be like kind of like, I don't know, their area. I'm gonna get 2 bins so I can do scrap paper and like maybe graph paper there. Keeping the broom there for now. This table, I'm thinking it will just be like a if you want to work together type of table. I have all the textbooks out on the desks. I didn't get around to those book bins, but those are going to go in that cabinet. I moved this over here just for now because I felt like it was blocking my view. Small group table, I put stuff behind there for my supplies. Desk is pretty much the same. This is a hot mess, but yeah, I'm probably gonna head out. I need to go eat something because I have my workout class this afternoon, and then be back tomorrow for first day of pre-planning.